He can stay outside for all I care.
Seriously, Keek.
Fucking bastard walked out on me when I needed him the most. He can stay outside for all I care.
Speaking of outside, I'm gonna not go outside, but I'm gonna leave this game. Hey, I'm gonna leave the game for now. Just if my house interests you, add me, I'm gonna go play Overwatch. Like a virgin.
Oh, please.
Have fun, guys.
Fine job.
I don't think it's something to worry about.
Oh, cheers.
The next one? Whoa! Shit!
Oh, this is secret room. Wow. No one cares.
Fine job. Cheers.
Russell, you're gonna lose. Just watch.
Oh, please. Fine job.
I don't know who's who, but Russell's losing.
Make it up to 20 taunts, please. Make it interesting.
Fine job. Oh, please.
See, I told
It's
you.
so over.
I told you, Russell.
Aren't you praying on his downfall?
That's
Watch him run now.
I recorded.
Watch him fucking run from that crap.
But, thank you again.
Brains, haircuts, hippies, brains. Hey.
He has a negative rep on his backpack, Russell, just so you know.
Gotta dance! I gotta dance!
Damn.
Brains!
Yeah, but it's obviously if he's willing to manipulate the market, then obviously he's willing to run from a spike grab. Well, he would be.
I got too many rhythms over here!
He gone. He left. Or did he?
Who? What now?
Well, he's not on the server.
I gotta dance!
It's so over.
See, there you go. There you go. There you go. There you fucking go.
Yeah, you're right.
Never spike crap.
I don't have access to the command.
Can I get some help, guys? I'm
Never
about to buy
spike crap.